Are you ready to become a champion? Hi, I'm Coach Gibbs, and I'd like to welcome you to the Joe Gibbs Driver Performance Program. As a coach and team owner, I have built championship-winning teams, including 3 Super Bowl winners and 3 NASCAR championships. In my experience, it takes 3 things to be a champ. Number 1, have a winning plan. Number 2, inspect what you expect, and then adjust your plan based on real-time conditions. Number 3, work as a part of a team. My program will help you achieve all 3. This isn't another management tool designed to monitor your driving. It's designed to give you real-time feedback, allowing you to compete while giving you recognition for meeting your goals and objectives. The system provides you with information you need to maintain high-performance standards, and feedback is instantly stored in a ranking system so you can see how you compare with your co-workers. Competition is always positive. Challenging your fellow drivers through this tool will enable you to rack up a high score and become number 1 for your company. I'll be by your side, giving you coaching tips and encouragement along the way. That's all for now, but God bless and good luck. Come on, guys. Everyone knows that winners don't speed. The street is not the racetrack. Don't let yourself and others down. First, let's talk about the practical aspects of speeding. Number 1, it's costly. More than anything, speeding is expensive. By not speeding, you can help your company achieve significant savings. Number 2, efficiency. Speeding increases fuel consumption by up to 25% at highway speeds and up to 5% for urban zones. On the highway, every 5 miles per hour you drive over 60 miles per hour is like adding 27 cents per gallon to your fuel cost. Number 3, insurance. Insurance rates represent a very significant business cost. Reducing speed will decrease the number of speeding tickets and accidents, as well as vehicle wear and tear. 4, safety and liability. You're not the only vehicle on the road. You do not have to be driving recklessly to have a serious accident. Even the slightest miscalculation of speed can have dire consequences, not just for you, but for others and the financial health of your company. Here are some tips to help you avoid the consequences of speeding. Number 1, always be aware of the posted speed limit and pay special attention to your vehicle's specific speed limit. Remember, the overall traffic flow will frequently be faster than the posted speed limit. Don't get caught in this trap. Number 2, monitor your schedule and adjust it as needed. If you're running late, speeding is not the answer to getting back on track. Number 3, speeding on pit road will get a penalty. So don't speed through parking lots, construction zones, and school zones. Number 4, finally, remember, speeding dramatically increases your likelihood of having an accident. Just like on the racetrack, these accidents will not only seriously affect you, they will also affect those in the vehicles around you. Be a champ. Drive safe, guys. As a driver, you can directly impact the financial health of your company by reducing costs while you're in your vehicle. You may not be surprised to hear that unnecessary engine idling is expensive, but it may surprise you to hear how much. Experts have proved that engine idling consumes over 1 billion gallons of fuel in the U.S. annually. One idling engine can use up to 1 gallon of fuel per hour. Idling engines can also have a damaging effect on your vehicle, increasing wear and tear and shortening engine life. Keep the following in mind, and you can cut idling out of your day in no time. Number 1, don't leave your vehicle idling while you're not in it. If you arrived early, shut your vehicle off. Complete your paperwork indoors, not in your vehicle. Number 2, don't waste time and fuel by unnecessarily warming up your motor. Also remember that running an engine at low speed causes twice the wear of running it during normal operation. If your vehicle is equipped with a remote starter, avoid using it. Number 3, don't use drive-throughs. Park your vehicle, shut it off, and walk in. Number 4, dress for the weather so you can minimize having to run the motor to power the heat or air conditioning. Don't waste fuel in the pits that you'll need on the track. Take it from me, follow this advice and you, your vehicle, and your company will reap the benefits. Every driver at the racetrack knows how important it is to look after your vehicle. The key to a winning championship is making sure that your equipment will last the whole season. Hard braking is expensive. In more ways than one, it can cost the company money and it can put you in danger. The best drivers are well aware that your vehicle's fuel economy is best when braking and acceleration are both minimal. Hard braking, on the other hand, not only reduces your fuel economy, but wears out your brake system, putting you in real danger of losing control of your vehicle and being involved in an accident. Accidents caused by hard braking increase insurance expenses and your likelihood of getting hurt or hurting someone else. My performance tips will help you keep at the front of the pack for the entire race. Number 1, avoid distractions while driving. Pull over if you need to do something that distracts you from the road ahead. Number 2, pay attention to your speed. Be aware of the speed limit and weather and road conditions to avoid having to brake hard. Number 3, don't tailgate. Maintain the appropriate falling distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. Number 4, avoid stop-and-go traffic areas and congestion whenever possible. If you're in a situation where you have to stop quickly, apply firm and even pressure to the pedal. Don't press down too hard on the brake. Don't be in a hurry. Rushing to make it through yellow lights, changing lanes, or merging into traffic can result in a situation that requires you to stop suddenly. Remember, looking after your vehicle will not only let you be a winner, it will also keep you safe. Consistent performance wins championships. It's not who has the single fastest lap, so be sure to take care of your vehicle when you're behind the wheel. Avoiding hard acceleration will help you keep costs down and increase your fuel mileage. Smart drivers know that their fuel economy is maximized when hard acceleration and hard braking are minimized. By not accelerating hard, you extend your engine's useful life. Avoiding this practice is not only safer, but helps reduce expenses and CO2 emissions. If you follow my tips, you'll be able to keep on the right track and lead every lap. Number 1, accelerate gradually. A trick is to depress the accelerator pedal gently but firmly, as if there were an egg underneath it. Remember that racing is for the racetrack. Avoid the temptation to drag race other vehicles. It not only uses fuel and increases vehicle wear, it's also risky and dangerous. Number 3, avoiding stop-and-go traffic and congested areas not only increases fuel mileage, but also keeps you out of situations that can lead to both hard acceleration and hard braking. Being a winner is about smart driving. If you know how your vehicle works, take care of it and use it to its full potential. Then you're always going to be a champion. Being the best isn't just about winning. It's also about understanding what you do and learning what it takes to make you better. As a professional driver, responsibility for safety and efficiency starts with you. Your individual performance can have a significant impact on your team, group, or department, even the financial bottom line of your company. To help you out, there are a few things to consider. Number 1, aggressive driving is dangerous and costly. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, aggressive driving is not only dangerous, but it decreases fuel mileage. Number 2, be smooth. Drivers often neglect to pay attention to how hard they're braking or how quickly they accelerate. Making a conscious effort to accelerate moderately and brake efficiently will decrease fuel consumption. Number 3, don't waste your downtime. Reducing idle time saves fuel, lowers maintenance costs, and reduces pollution. With this in mind, here are a few performance tips. Number 1, get up on the wheel. Be alert and focused. Number 2, watch your energy levels. Ensure that you're well rested and clear-headed to be a winner. Number 3, keep the vehicle entrusted to you by the company in top shape. With the vehicle in optimal condition, you can outpace the competition. Don't be that guy who leaves their warning light on for 20,000 miles. Communicate with maintenance or your manager right away when you see an indicator of trouble. Let the pit crew help you cross the finish line in front.